Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you Chambers Thesaurus. It's an awesome application by the guys at WordWeb Software. And as the name suggests, it's a thesaurus. It's synonyms, antonyms, and good information about them. Very simple and clean user interface. And let's say you want to type something. I'm just going to type something and as I type, you see the suggestions. You see different things that you can pick up the words verbatim. For instance, you can pick that up to see what it is, word for word. So even if you don't know the definition, if you see these words, you can clearly see what it means, especially if you are a native speaker. And even if you're new to this language, it's very nice to see which other words you can use next to this one and have some variety, some in your vocabulary. And also, if you're taking an exam, for instance, for a test, or it's an English test, or it's for college test, you need to know these words even if they have the same meaning. So it's nice to have that. Now, the neat thing is a lot of things happen in the background. For instance, when I search for things, see the words are actually getting tracked here. So this is very important. You're reading a book, and let's say you're a foreigner, you're reading an English book, and you're learning new words all the time. Wouldn't it be nice if the words that you pick up, or you just want to remember, you're getting refresher, you can go here and see the words that you've actually looked up. And if you forgotten some of them, you can actually again look them up and see what they mean. And if you like some word, you can add it to your bookmarks. So words that you absolutely have to remember, you can add it to your bookmarks here, and you're covered. As far as searching, as far as copying goes, random words you can go and discover new words like that. Searching, again, very simple, as I mentioned. You can go and see all these words, and if I type something else, let's go with all the usage information, how to use that word. As you can see, related adjectives. You get quotations. I mean, you get a lot of good information, and the user interface is very clean, and you see the colorful. It makes it really easy to read. I've seen so many dictionary and thesaurus applications, just plain text. It's really, really hard to keep up. This is well formatted, so has a lot going for it. As far as the xref goes, what it means, if you have the dictionary and other applications, you can pick them up or open them up from here. If you have the internet connection, you can go and look up information on Wikipedia, which has a lot of information. You have other answers.com, Google. So a lot of sources are available. So it brings everything together. You search for a word, you get synonyms, antonyms, how to use it. You get links, obviously. You can discover new words. You can also set up your settings, change your settings here, sync your bookmarks with iCloud, and pretty awesome, really. And if you want to, let's say, exclude vulgar or offensive words, you have that option available as well. If you want to change the font size, again, you can do that. And if I go back, you can see it's huge actually. This is really, even I can see that, but if you just go with something smaller, maybe you can see more if your eyes are strong, or if they're not, you can just go with whatever you choose. It's really up to you. Just the option is available. So you get iCloud, you get the ability to hyperlink the definition words. You have the highlighting of information. So when you look something up, it's highlighted. You have the ability to type, and as you type, new words are coming. Well formatted, very fast, keeps track of the words as I search. See, all the words that I've searched, they're automatically added here to recent section. So even if you forget them, the app keeps track of them. Now we're talking about 40,000 distinct words and a ton of synonyms and antonyms. You have spelling suggestions that I mentioned, cross-referencing as I mentioned. So a lot going for it. And this is useful whether you're learning the language, whether you're studying, researching, doing whatever. An application like this can be very helpful. It's much better to use this one than, let's say, paper dictionary or thesaurus. and really just does the job. So Chambers, Thesaurus, and I do encourage you to check other applications by the guys at WordWeb. They've done a wonderful job designing the interface, and let's hope they add even more words in the future. Thanks again for watching, guys.